Children are a blank slate. We can mold them as we like, and they are eager to learn. It is the duty of all parents to make their child Krishna conscious, so that the fortunate child may not have to take birth in the material world again. Sow the seed of Krishna consciousness in children. These children are given to us by Krishna. They are Vaishnav, and we must be very careful to protect them. They are not ordinary children. They are Vaikuntha children, and we can give them chance to advance further in Krishna consciousness. That is very great responsibility. Don't neglect it or be confused. So similarly, if we train children by developing and encouraging their propensity to love Krishna, then we shall be successful in educating them to the topmost standard. Krishna consciousness should also start at an early age. Children should make Krishna and his devotees as their best friend. Teach them Krishna conscious art at early age, so they may advance in devotional service. Our children are the gift given by mercy of the Lord. They are delicate. Take care of them with love and devotion by giving them Krishna consciousness. If we want them to become great devotees, then we must educate the children with love, not in a negative way. These children are the future hope of our society. So it is very important matter how we are training them in Krishna consciousness from the very childhood. If the children are given a Krishna conscious education from early childhood, then there is a great hope for the future of the world. If we train a child in taking shelter of Krishna, then that will become nature of child.